Yeah, we're out here. About to go slide. Well, attempt to slide because I'm fucking rubbing a lot.
This guy's gonna slide the car.
We got Andy in here. We got Ryan. We got his 240. We're gonna attempt to fucking slide with my slammed ass. Dude, that shit's rubbing.
Bro, you could have started springs.
Whatever, dude. Hey, we're putting stiffer springs on this next video. But it's gonna be a short one because we're gonna attempt to do some slippery slide. But we'll see what's up. Because I just tried and that shit gripped up. Alright, we just put some gas on. We'll see you guys at the spot. Or we'll have Ryan take some rollers too on the way of our cars. Alright, boys. We're back home because look-y, I forgot something. Get my girl's little siren thing, you heard? Yeah. You already know I had to go back for that. Hey. Hurricane weather, more like fucking hurricane rollers.
I've been living fast, it's been spoiling me. I don't trust the bitches you recording me. I've been living fast, it's been spoiling me. I'm bringing my meds on the tour with me.
We're at the spot. Hurricane fucking tilted garage. No, not. What is it, Hilary? Man, we're out here. I just slid the car a little bit, dude. Honestly, there was like times where I wasn't dumping the clutch because I don't want to blow my trans up again, you know, end up the same way. But I'm plugging in right here. I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna see it before I even said this. But Ryan got a video of me shooting on fat flame. But damn, my car looks nice on a rainy day. Sheesh. Yeah, we got Andy here. And it's 240. Man needs to slam it more. Needs more low, dude.
Oh, it does.
But yeah, he's on VSXX's. Literally looks like my girl's wheels. Damn, is your favorite color red or what, dude? Is your favorite color red or what?
No, I just went the last red, so I painted this one.
So you painted this one red? Damn. Honestly, it's a nice red, dude. Sheesh. Oof. Fuck. I'm gonna try to do an entry, but I'm not trying to eat shit. But we'll see what's up. But I told this man to hand me the keys. I was like, yo, you got a backup camera in this thing as a joke? This man's saying that he does, dude. It's automatic, but he's gonna switch it to manual. Alright, but let me fucking fix the parking real quick. But that shit was funny. I was just joking, man. Alright. We got Andy and my car now. Let me get some B-rolls of this.
Don't be so quick to walk away. Dance with me, I wanna rock your body.
Oh yeah, Ryan, just go.
You know, you wanna try sliding this one?
Dude, right here is better because it's more slippery.
Yeah, my shit's not sliding.
Well, we'll try the other side then. Well, yeah, let's go.
I think something happened to this car because I was able to do burn-ons before, now I can't. Like earlier today.
Yeah, I don't know. It's probably like your brakes or some shit. I don't know.
Why is this?
Yeah, that shit was making a weird ass noise.
No, I heard that.
I tried to quickly press the brakes so like it'll fucking pull it back and then spin, but it wasn't letting me. But alright, we'll try the other side, I guess. Try number 2. sliding at all. I think it's like too grippy. I don't know what the fuck. Maybe I need like, I don't know. It also keeps rubbing in the front, so that might be it. Might be a problem. But, hey yo, that shit was fun though. When I shot a battle flame, bruh. But I wanna get better. I wanna start drifting, you know. I really just wanna finish this car aesthetically, like make it look aesthetically pleasing, you know. And then we're for sure gonna drift this car to get to like events and shit. Water really got on the fucking camera, that's crazy. It's spinning. This car don't wanna fucking do a donut or even fucking slide, honestly. It's kinda whack. Kind of sad, because he actually really wanted to fucking slide it.